Bakit importante yung cash flow sa business? Ang cash kinakailangan sa business kasi kung walang cash, walang pambayad ng sweldo, walang pambayad ng produkto, walang pambayad ng electricity. So, hihinto yung business kung walang cash. Ganon kahalaga ang cash. But at the same time, while looking at the cash flow of the business, kinakailangan tinitignan din natin yung profitability ng business. Kasi pwedeng marami kang cash at tumatakbo yung negosyo mo. Pero ang dahilan kung bakit ka maraming cash is because hindi mo nababayaran yung supplier, hindi mo nababayaran yung mga empleyado mo, dapat bayaran, pinopostpone mo, kaya may cash ka. O kaya, umutang ka kasi, kaya may cash ka. Eventually, all of these things will put pressure on you. Eventually, kinakailangan mo din bayaran. And therefore, dyan nagkakaroon ng problema. Because although cash is very important in business, cash flow is the lifeblood of business. What makes your business stay sustainable is your profitability. Huwag mo isipin na cash flow lang. Kinakailangan isipin mo, kinakailangan kumikita yung business mo. Kasi kung hindi siya kumikita, pwedeng nag-ooperate ka sa utang. Kung kumikita ka, hindi ka kinakailangan mag-operate sa utang. So look at your cash and your profitability at the same time.